Hey, how you doing? My name is Bob Terry. I am the Executive Director of the IEC Florida East Coast chapter in West Palm Beach, Florida. Thank you for inquiring about electrical and low voltage apprenticeship. So you think maybe you want to be an electrician, maybe you want to be a low voltage technician. Well, I want to answer some of the most basic questions and explain the process of what it might take to get you into the electrical or low voltage field. In order to attend electrical or low voltage apprenticeships, you must be working for an electrical or low voltage contractor. Apprenticeships in Florida are awesome because the apprentice is not allowed to pay for their tuition. You're working full time, working 40 hours plus per week, and your contractor is paying the tuition to us for you to attend school. If you're currently working for a low voltage or electrical contractor and you're interested in attending school, feel free to call us. The rest of this video probably would not pertain to you since you're already hired and working in the field. If you're not currently working for an electrical or low voltage contractor, we can assist you with the steps that is going to need to be taken so that you can become hireable by the contractors in those specific fields. First thing we got to do is determine your mechanical abilities. You know what that is? Are you comfortable using screwdrivers and pliers and wire strippers and razor knives and impact guns and hammer drills and sawzalls? If you know what all those are and you're comfortable using them, you've already got a real good opportunity because of your mechanical abilities. If you have that or any other type of construction experience, I suggest that you send your resume to us right away so that we could review it and determine if you may be hireable without any additional classes. If you don't have any construction experience or you're kind of good at using tools, but you don't feel very, very comfortable with that, that's okay. We run what we call an electrical career prep program. This program has about 20 students in it. We run it about 2 to 3 times a year. As soon as we get up to our registration number, we will start another class, and that class is held here in Riviera Beach, Florida. This class meets one night per week from 6 o'clock until 8:30 at night, and it covers 20 weeks. So obviously after 20 weeks of 2.5 hours, you will have 50 hours of basic electrical career training. We do it one night a week so that you can continue going to school, so that you can work your current part-time or full-time job and take this time invested into learning, and that is certainly going to help your chances of being hired by an electrician. Well, what is this class going to cover? You're on our website right now. You could go to the website and see the list, but we teach you what electrical job sites look like. We teach you the types of tools and materials that you're going to use. We teach you how to bend conduit, how to properly read a tape measure, how to strip wire and wire receptacles and switches and outlets. Even towards the end of it, we'll start helping you with your resume if you don't have one. This course does come with a little bit of a cost. The cost is $399. And once you complete the course, you will get $100 plus worth of brand new tools that will help you kickstart your career. You can pre-register for this right on our website. There's no cost due until the class starts. I think we only have a handful of spots left for the next class, but if you register your name, get it on the list, and we'll get you going, and this could be the next step to your electric career. When you complete this course and you get a certificate of completion, it's going to look really good on your resume. Many people get hired out of this program, but some people might need a little additional training. We're going to see how that goes, right? Have you ever heard of OSHA? That's OSHA. Well, an OSHA 10 is 10 hours of construction and trade safety, right? If you can go online, Google OSHA 10, and for about 50 bucks, you could sit at your computer at your own time, at your own convenience, and learn some basic safety and some basic construction training. Most electrical contractors are looking for people that have this certification. It shows that you've invested time. So if you take our 50-hour program and then you get your OSHA 10 card, now you're showing them that maybe I don't have experience in the trade, but I just invested 60 hours of my time to learn about it. And they're going to feel like they have a better chance of keeping you with their company because you know what you're getting into. To go back to our electrical career prep program, it is offered in Riviera Beach. We have a training room here at our office, and some of the theory and training is done in our classroom on a smart board. And then about once a month, you will meet at our warehouse, which is about a mile down the road, and we have a full electrical lab, and that is where you will be doing hands-on work. You will get gloves, you will get safety glasses, and then you will be able to use all of the hand and power tools that we have at our office. As I mentioned before, many people get hired out of this program. Some people might need the next step. So what is the next step? The next step is what we call pre-apprenticeship classes. The IEC does not offer these. However, we have partners with Florida Training Services and Palm Beach State College who run these pre-apprentice programs. Florida Training Services offers a 144-hour program, kind of follows a senior year of high school. You go 2 nights a week, and you get some of the basic training that we give in our 50-hour program. However, you're getting just about 3 times as much. If you go to Palm Beach State College and have a little more time to invest, they have a program that meets every day for 6 or 7 hours. It is a full-time, school in order to go to it, but you're getting 1,200 hours of electrical training. I can tell you that the students that invest their time in that program are on the most wanted list. They typically get multiple offers from different contractors, and you're really showing that you wanted to invest your time and become an electrician. So those are both great options, and I have all of the contact information for them. If you reach out to us and send us an email or call our office, anybody from myself or my team would be glad to help you out with that information. We help you with your resume. If you send your resume into us, we will make sure that you have all the experience necessary. Once it looks good and you have some things that are going to catch these contractors' attention, we have the ability to send it out to over 40 contractors here between Palm Beach and Port St. Lucie counties. All of these contractors send apprentices to our school, and not only are they going to want you to go to school, they're going to expect you to go to school. And that leads us to the next step. Now you're hired, now you're working, now you're making money. What's up with electrical apprenticeship? Well, electrical apprenticeship is a 4-year program. Yes, you're going to school for 4 years. However, you're working full-time during the day, and you're going to school 1 to 2 nights a week. Our apprenticeship program meets 2 nights a week, 7 times. All of the other times through the school year, it is only 1 night per week. Our electrical classes are held from Lake Worth up to Port St. Lucie, and our low voltage classes, they meet 2 nights a week, and they are located in Green Acres. If maybe being a hands-on electrician or a hands-on low voltage technician is not your thing, but you want to get into the electrical industry, we have industry partners from supply houses to tool manufacturers that are always looking to hire people. The electrical field is a billion-dollar industry. There's something for everybody. If you want to work in a warehouse and be a loader or a warehouse person, if you want to become a warehouse manager, if you want to get into sales, if you want to get into purchasing, logistics, the options are endless between our industry partners and the opportunities that are available in the electrical trade. I hope this brief video gives you a better understanding as to what you might get into and what the steps might be that you need to take. Everybody's a little different. We're happy to speak with you, but we hope that this takes care of some of the basic information for you. If you want to reach out to us, feel free to call our office. You can also go on to our website, and you can click the Apply Now or the Contact Us tab. An email will be sent to you, sent to us, and we will reach out to you to give you a little bit more detailed information. Thanks for joining me for this quick little trip on how to be an electrician or a low voltage technician, and we hope to talk to you soon. Have a great day.